back again, and I've got 2 triple cheeses here, man. I'm gonna try and DIY my own freaking pounder, because they don't have one. I have an extra cheeseburger bun. Two extra cheeseburger buns.
One in the middle.
You reckon? One in the middle. Saucy. It's not as big as a pounder. Nearly there. Give them a go. So we're back in lockdown again. Been in lockdown for like 3 weeks, and it already got extended again for another week. And while we've been in lockdown, all of a sudden we had that massive jump in cases, like freaking 200 cases. Where did that even come from if we've been in lockdown? People looking for a pounder, I suggest they try this. Could have gone with maybe a few more cheeseburgers. It's not as greasy as the pounder was. All them cheeseburgers and cheese and shit.
Okay. I'm ready.
Can't see no more. That's real cheeseburger. It's a bit sickening. Have you seen this as well? So, Hungry Jack's now has brought out on their cups a little bit that you can open so you can drink it from the cup. But they still have plastic straws. You only break the cup because the paper straws. What else I get that? Hate the feeling of the paper straws in your mouth. And MacDonalds still doesn't have one on their cup. But they're the one that sells the paper straws. Really there. Nom nom nom. Whew. I can feel him in my stomach. Oh. Oh, excuse me. Ooh. Feeling it. Oh, I'm definitely feeling it. Fucking coronary or something. Too much cheese. Might be a better idea to do this with maybe like two double quarter pounders.
They're bigger.
Huh?
They're bigger.
Yeah, but a pounder was quarter pounders. It wasn't cheeseburgers. Oh my god! Because if it's a quarter pounder and it's a double quarter pounder, that'd be half a pound. And then two of them would be a pounder. Oh my god. Oh, I'm so close. There's still so much. Every bite's hurting. That really hurt my stomach. Really badly. I think I can do these chips. No, give it a go. 2 triple cheeses. Woo! Oh. Maybe don't give it a go. It hurts. Oh. Next one we'll try 2 double quarter pounders. Woo! Chippers! 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 Ah, chippers! 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 Yeah. Chippers! What we get on the Monopolies? Instant win! Year of digital magazines. Who the... What's a year of digital magazines? It's dumb. It's stupid. There you go. You want to hear his digital magazine? There you go. What a one. Oh, excuse me again. Oh my god. Why do you still keep eating the chip stuff? Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Double triple cheese. Subscribe, like, do all them good things for me. And I'll see you next time.